Hello guys, I hope you are doing wonderful. In this video, I will be explaining how to code Arab SEO optimization for AI and classical search engine script works. This script is built for n8n and was developed by the CODARAB team for developers. It allows users to automatically publish articles on their WordPress website. These articles are optimized for SEO, targeting AI-powered search engines such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Anthropic, Copilot, and Grok, as well as traditional search engines like Google, Bing, Safari, and Yandex. For example, here is a website selling APTV that uses the CodeAlab script to drive traffic through query searched on both AI and classical search engine. As you can see, almost all orders are coming from ChatGPT, Google, Bing, Anthropic, etc. But why attract customer through SEO rather than paid advertising? Simply because one, the SEO is free. The two, SEO converts visitors who land to your website or your e-commerce website are high quality and are ready to buy. 3. SEO gives you visibility on the web, making your business visible and present on the global internet. Sustainability. Your business stays online at all time and receives or will receive orders consistently and repeatedly, unlike a business relying on a paid ads which die the moment the campaign stops. So, how does to-code Arab script works? That's exactly what we'll discover in this video. But before I begin this quick walkthrough, I kindly invite you, please, not as demand, to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. So after you download the script from the official page here, I will leave the script download link on the video description. After download the script, you will need to go to your n8n server and click create workflow, then click on 3 points here and click import from file. Then you will import the file or the script. So now it's imported. Once imported, you will see something like that, like this. What you need to do in this case, it's just to replace 3 elements. The first one is ChatGPT or OpenAI APK. The second one is WordPress application API, and the last one is your Google Sheets and Doc data. So in this, you will put your brand name, your brand information, what are you selling, or what is your business purpose. Here you will put all the titles for the article that you want to generate using this script. The element number 3 is videos. Here you will put your video links that you want to integrate on your article, on your SEO article generated by CodeArab script. The last one is internal links from your website that you want also to integrate via inside your WooCommerce or inside your WordPress SEO article generated by CodeArab script. If you have any question or remarks, you can contact us on our official website codarab.com or via contact us page or via WhatsApp or via our email support@codarab.com. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Let's see you in the next video.